Weekend cooking should feel like a treat, not a chore. Today you'll get 5 popular recipes that use very few ingredients, taste like you tried hard, and fit perfectly into a relaxed Saturday or Sunday. Each recipe includes a short ingredient list, step-by-step method, timing, simple swaps, and one quick safety note. Here's your lineup. 1. Creamy garlic butter pasta. 2. Crispy sheet pan chicken and veggies. 3. Salmon lemon foil packets. 4. Fluffy banana oat pancakes. 5. Chocolate mug cake. Before we start, a simple rule. Read the full recipe once, then cook. It saves time and prevents mistakes. Let's begin with a cozy pasta that feels restaurant level, without the effort. Recipe 1. Creamy garlic butter pasta. Ingredients, only 5. Pasta, butter, garlic, grated cheese, and black pepper. Optional, a splash of pasta water and a pinch of salt. Steps, boil pasta in salted water. While it cooks, melt butter in a pan on low heat. Add minced garlic and let it soften for 30 to 60 seconds. Do not brown it. When pasta is done, reserve half a cup of pasta water, then drain. Toss pasta into the pan with garlic butter. Add grated cheese and a few spoonfuls of pasta water to turn it silky. Finish with lots of black pepper. Timing, 12 to 15 minutes total. Substitutions. Use olive oil instead of butter or any hard cheese you like. Safety note. Garlic burns fast. Keep the heat low and stir. Next, we'll do a sheet pan dinner. 1 tray, minimal cleanup, maximum satisfaction. Recipe 2. Crispy sheet pan chicken and veggies. Ingredients 6. Chicken thighs or drumsticks, potatoes, 1 vegetable you love, olive oil, salt, and paprika. Optional, garlic powder or dried herbs. Steps. Heat oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Cut potatoes into bite-sized pieces and place on a tray. Add chopped veg, broccoli, carrots, bell pepper, or zucchini. Drizzle olive oil, add salt and paprika, then toss. Nestle chicken pieces on top, skin side up. Roast 35 to 45 minutes until chicken is golden and juices run clear. If you have a thermometer, aim for 75 degrees Celsius in the thickest part. Timing, 10 minutes prep, 40 minutes roast. Substitutions, swap potatoes for sweet potatoes, or use tofu instead of chicken. Safety note, keep raw chicken separate from your cutting board and wash hands and tools right away. Next up, a super elegant salmon dinner that cooks in its own foil packet. Recipe 3. Lemon salmon foil packets. Ingredients 5. Salmon fillets, lemon, butter or olive oil, salt, and dill. Optional, a handful of green beans or asparagus. Steps. Heat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place each salmon fillet on a sheet of foil. Season with salt. Top with a thin slice of lemon and a small knob of butter or a drizzle of oil. Add dill on top. Fold foil into a sealed packet. Bake 12 to 15 minutes, depending on thickness. Open carefully. Steam is hot. Timing, 5 minutes prep, 15 minutes bake. Substitutions. Use lime instead of lemon or parsley instead of dill. Safety note, when opening foil, tilt the packet away from your face to avoid steam burns. Next, we go sweet and cozy, fluffy weekend pancakes with just a few basics. Recipe 4. Banana oat pancakes. Ingredients 4. 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, oats, and a pinch of cinnamon. Optional, a little baking powder for extra fluff. Steps. Mash banana in a bowl. Whisk in eggs. Stir in oats and cinnamon. Let it sit 2 minutes so oats soften. Heat a non-stick pan on medium. Add small spoonfuls of batter. Cook 2 to 3 minutes per side until set and lightly golden. Timing: 10 to 15 minutes. Substitutions: blend the batter for a smoother pancake. Top with yogurt, berries, honey, or peanut butter. Safety note: keep heat medium so the center cooks before the outside burns. Now, a fast dessert you can make in 5 minutes. Perfect for weekend treat. Recipe 5. Chocolate mug cake. Ingredients: 5. Flour, cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and oil. Optional: a pinch of salt or a few chocolate chips. Steps: in a large mug, mix 4 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa, and 2 tablespoons sugar. Stir in 3 tablespoons milk and 2 tablespoons oil until smooth. Microwave 60 to 90 seconds. Let it rest 1 minute. This finishes the texture. Timing: 5 minutes. Substitutions: use plant milk or replace oil with melted butter. Safety note: use a large mug. Mug cakes rise and can overflow. Recap: you made creamy garlic butter pasta, sheet pan chicken and veggies, lemon salmon foil packets, banana oat pancakes, and a chocolate mug cake. Next time, we'll do a weekend-friendly plan with the same few ingredients rule, but focused on 1 salad, 1 soup, 1 snack, 1 dinner, and 1 dessert, so you can mix and match all week.